to Jollibee. Okay. Okay, by counting 1, 2, 3. No, wait. By counting 1, 2, 3, you have to blow your candle, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Go! The other one! Yay! Okay, this afternoon is the official second birthday of Janine. And this birthday celebration will not be completed without the wishes from Mommy and Daddy. Mommy first, Mommy. Oh, Daddy? Mommy. Sige, Mommy first.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you all for coming, and then wishes for baby Janine. Thank you, happy baby Janine. I love you, Barnigo. Bowser, go.
Hi.
Oi. Go. Na-woman siya. Mura sa si Mami na shy. Shy baby man si baby Janine. Awo dance Jollibee. Birthday wish for baby Janine. As wish na mo that she will become a good daughter niya. God-fearing sad siya. Dahil naminaw siya and then mag-guided siya properly, follow siya po kanang instruction dahil may tragay mo pala instruction, and then siya na mga values, hopefully ihaw tagi-follow para ma-directed siya in a good way. Daddy na sad.
Yay! Una sa tanan, salamat kay Spagari, no? Bisa ng mga uwan-uwan. So, pasalamat sa Ginoo nga nindot kay ang pagdako ni Janine, no? Maayong lawas. Nga, paborito gini niya sa Jollibee. So, bisag-asa mi, SM Ayala, basta kita ni sa Jollibee, no? Mo, kuhaan yun, makumplito yung adlaw, no? Salamat kay Jollibee, salamat kay sa tanan nga wish na ko nga Papa! Wish na ko ni Janine na ano yung mga that? Bitaw, ato pa yun, Ginoo. Niya, natong nga, mapareha rin siya sa iyang lulog-lula, mga lulog-lula, na God-fearing. So far, parang pagin ni Bata, genius. So, ikatako ani no, liwat ka sa iyang lulog-lula. So, daghang yung salamat sa tanan. Thank you, Jollibee.
Okay, thank you very much, Ma'am and Sir. Now, Janine. Of course, Jollibee prepared the birthday wishes for Janine, right, Jollibee? I know you prepared birthday wishes for Janine. You have to watch Jollibee, okay? How many wishes do you have, Jollibee? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 wishes because Jollibee only have 4 fingers for the eye. Okay. Now, what's the first one, Jollibee?
Ako na dahil yung amor.
Okay, the first one that Janine will grow. Beautiful, of course. Beautiful like Mommy! Yay!
Pabor.
How about the second one, Jollibee? The second one, the Janine will grow prayerful and faithful to our God, like Jollibee, of course! Yay! Okay, how about the third one, Jollibee? That Janine will grow smart and bright child, of course, like Jollibee can study! And the last one, Jollibee. What is it, Jollibee? The Janine will grow, and the Janine will have to come, and will be happy always to everyone, especially to her loved ones. Okay, thank you very much, Joby, for a wonderful birthday wishes, a meaningful birthday wishes. Okay, this time, let's see. Okay, ma'am. Joby, choose Joby. Asa mag-gift, Jollibee? Choose which gift, Joby, at i-open na to. That one. Okay, let's see. From? Okay, this gift